La responsabilidad, la confianza y ownership son la base para dar lo mejor de mí cada día. El hecho de que confíen en mí hace que afronte mis tareas diarias con mayor pasión y compromiso, intentando siempre llegar a soluciones que marquen la diferencia.
The beauty of having a very clear purpose in a therapeutic area such as dermatology is that everyone in the company, regardless of their position, can understand what it means to them and how they can help us transform patients' lives.
Recently, a few weeks ago, we had a patient association visiting us here. They could interact with the people in the plant, etc. It was a fantastic experience, really. You got goosebumps out of it when you see the interaction of the patients, thanking people for what they do for them. People realizing, oh, what I do really helps a lot of people and really transform their lives.
Siento que trabajando en Almirall formo parte de algo mucho más grande en mi día a día, puesto que considero que cada persona y cada función dentro de la organización es una pieza clave de un engranaje que trabaja de una forma coordinada para cumplir nuestro propósito, ¿no? El cambiar la vida de los pacientes, ayudarles a lograr sus sueños.
It's all about trust, it's all about having a common sense on what we are doing and how we are doing.